Scenic approach, Skylane 6872, Mike, Young Eagle departing Richland.
November 6872, Mike, Chinook approach, ident.
I would love to be a pilot.
Cessna 72 Mike, radar contact about 4 miles, Christian 5 miles southwest of the Palouse Airport. Thank you.
Roger that. 72 Mike is doing a scenic up to Palouse Falls on the Snake River, and we'll be coming back after that.
Skyhawk 72 Mike, roger. Traffic 11 o'clock in 3 miles. Appears to be in the pattern at Tri-Cities 1,500 indicated.
72 Mike has the traffic in sight.
Yep. Two.
What?
I see it too.
Oh, okay.
There's another one.
That's the one I was seeing. Which one are you seeing?
One over there, see?
Over there, see.
Okay, see the water?
Yes?
It's in the green spot below.
Oh, that's coming in straight into land. We'll be well above them. Except we don't want to hit those guys up there.
No, God. Get away. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, you want to keep an eye on those guys.